Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to unfriend all your Facebook friends in one click using Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window. You'll see three vertical dots, which is your Chrome menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this drop-down menu, hover your mouse over the option that says Extensions. When you hover over it, a side menu will appear with additional extension-related options. This is where you can manage all your Chrome extensions and discover new ones. In that side menu, click on Visit Chrome Web Store. This will take you to the official Chrome Web Store where you can browse and install various extensions that add functionality to your browser. The Web Store has thousands of tools and add-ons designed to make your browsing experience more efficient. Once you're in the Chrome Web Store, look at the search bar located at the top of the page. Click on it and type in Mass Unfriender for Facebook. This is a specialized extension designed specifically to help you manage your Facebook friend list in bulk, which is something Facebook doesn't natively allow you to do easily. After you search, the extension should appear in the results. Click on it to open the extension's detailed page. Here you'll see information about what the extension does and how it works. When you're ready, click the Add to Chrome button. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you want to add the extension. Click Add Extension to confirm and install it to your browser. The extension will now be added to your Chrome browser and ready to use. Now, open a new tab and navigate to facebook.com. Log into your Facebook account using your credentials if you aren't already logged in. Once you're on your Facebook homepage, look at the left sidebar where you'll find various navigation options. In the left sidebar, click on Friends. This will take you to your Friends Management page where you can see friend requests, suggestions, and your friend list. Next, click on All Friends to view your complete list of Facebook connections. This displays everyone you're currently friends with on the platform. Now, look at the top right corner of your Chrome browser where you'll see the extensions icon, which looks like a puzzle piece. Click on this icon to see all your installed extensions. From the drop-down list that appears, click on Mass Unfriender. This will activate the extension and prepare it to work with your Facebook friend list. Once the extension opens, you'll see several options for managing your friends. Click on Unfriend in Active Friends. The extension will now automatically scan through your friend list and select friends based on activity levels. This process might take a moment depending on how many friends you have, so give it a few seconds to complete the selection. After the extension finishes selecting friends, you'll see a button that says Unfriend 2 friends, or the number might be different depending on how many friends you have in total. Click this button to execute the Mass Unfriend action. The extension will now begin removing all selected friends from your Facebook account automatically. And that's it. You've successfully unfriended multiple Facebook friends in just one click using this Chrome extension, saving yourself the time and effort of doing it manually one by one. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.